He's stealing.
What do you get out of it?
He's stealing, y'all. He's stealing.
I wanna run down your wild dream.
Aluminum foil.
Look
at him, y'all. He stole that. He stole it from the campsite. He stole it. What he steal? What he steal? This nigga stealing. We caught him red-handed. We call him red-handed. Where his butt go? Now I can't hear you. The music too loud. How can I hear you and the music too loud? Look here. Dog, go ask me, can I hear? Now I can't hear nothing. The music too loud. Yeah, I see you. What you got? Uh-huh. Caught you red-handed. Look, Tom. He tearing it up. That's biscuits. Look at him, y'all. Now, I don't know what that is he eat. But he sure stole some. Got your little butt. What are you doing? Just what are you doing? Huh? Huh? Are you getting out in nature? What are you doing? Get up, get to walking, get to moving, and get to it. What are you doing?